So 5.3 build's coming along pretty good. Got the old motor out. The new motors we're getting ready to put it in. Just got all the parts here for the swap. Got some headers and some swap mounts that we're going to go ahead and get bolted up onto the motor. And then the old motor's out. So just right now just cleaning up some of the wiring. Because on these older trucks, some of the body harness is tied into the engine harness. I got to get in there, and I've already started picking out some of the wires. So we just cut out the parts that we don't need, and then tape it up, put it back up inside the conduit, and then all that will get tied up behind the engine when it's all done. So just getting that cleaned up. I got to finish degreasing this cross member. I'm going to go ahead and paint it, and just to put some rust prevention on it. It's got a little bit of surface rust, but nothing terribly bad. So we'll get that knocked out, and then go ahead and pull out like this evap canister and a few other things, and start getting things plumbed up so we can put the nitrous in here. We'll probably run the lines and stuff like that while the motor's out, just to make some room, make it kind of easy, so we can get that done. So anyway, but yeah, that's the basic update on the 5.3 as of right now, and we'll have more coming up this week. All right, see you.